are the qualifications to become a personal chef, you ask? Well, first and foremost, your ability to create delicious meals. If your meals do not please, then you will lose that client and a poor reputation may follow you. The ideal candidate to become a personal chef would be those individuals who simply love to cook and the kitchen is their favorite place in the house. They are foodies. They probably watch too many cable cooking shows, and they are adventurous, open to trying new recipes, ingredients, new spices. But your great cooking itself does not make you a personal chef. Far from it. Personal chefs are entrepreneurs. They will own and operate their own business, generally as a sole proprietor. But how do these people get to the point where they have a business? Business knowledge focused on the personal chef industry is virtually mandatory. Think of this knowledge as a roadmap. You have a car, you want to go from point A to point B, but you are in a completely unknown area. The map shows you how to get from here to there. That is what the Culinary Business Institute is all about. Getting you from point A to point B without the hassles, without the mistakes, but with an easy to follow map. If you love to cook and produce excellent meals, then consider becoming your own boss. Become a personal chef. Personal chefs are in demand, and we'll cover that in our next video.